Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. We are continuing our UsersWP series where we are covering everything step by step from setting up UsersWP, creating login and registration forms, to managing users' profile, member directories, settings, and much more. Before watching this video, I highly recommended checking out our previous videos in this series, as it will help to better understand the step that we're covering today. You will find the link in the video description. Today in this video, we will talk about another add-on for UsersWP, which is a very important add-on, which is called Friends Add-on Extension for UsersWP. This add-on provides us with the capability to add the ability for all our UsersWP users to send, accept, and reject requests on our UsersWP WordPress website, just like we do on Facebook. Here you can see it is written, with a Friends add-on for UsersWP, your users can send and accept or reject friend requests on your WordPress website just like on Facebook. As can be seen here, on our profile page, there is a Friends tab, which has 3 sub-tabs: Friends, Pending, and Sent, right? So this is how this tab is added here. So today we will talk about this Friends add-on and we will learn how it works. So let's go ahead and find out how we can use this UsersWP Friends add-on. First of all, we need to log in to our WordPress UsersWP setup. Then after that, we need to go to Plugins, then click on Add Plugins. After clicking on Add Plugins, we need to go to Upload Plugin and upload our Friends add-on, the UWP Friends add-on. And we need to click on Install. As soon as we click on Install, then after that, we need to activate this add-on. Our add-on is activated here and we can see the UsersWP Friends add-on in our plugin list, which is enabled, right? So, as soon as this Friends add-on is activated, then in the UsersWP Form Builder, we need to go to the Profile tabs and we get a predefined Friends field here. For instance, if you go to any current user or your profile right now, we get 2 tabs: Followers, Users, and Following. Currently, the Friends tab is not shown. So, to add this Friends tab to our profile or any user's profile, we need to add it here in the Profile tab section and save it. As soon as we save it and refresh our profile, this Friends tab is shown here. And in this Friends tab, 3 sub-tabs are also shown. Since this user currently has no friend requests, nor have they sent any friend requests, nor do they have any friends at the moment, the count for all of these is 0. Similarly, we can also rename this Friends tab from here. We can write Our Friends or My Friends. We can also change its icon from here according to our preference. Suppose I change it and set this icon. And for privacy, as I mentioned in my previous video, if we write Anyone for the Followers tab, then this Friends tab will be visible to both logged in and logged out users. If we select logged in, it will only be selected for logged in users. Then if we save it, our changes will be shown here. We have renamed it to My Friends. We have also changed its icon. And since we are logged in, we can see this tab. If we go to a logged out user, this Friends tab will not be shown. Here is an error. This tab does not exist because I had directly copy-pasted it. Now we will check. So we can see one tab here and the other 2 tabs are not visible. Now let's talk about how we can send a friend request to any of our users or any user and how to accept it, right? So for that, we need to go to the users listing page. If we go here, we can see 2 buttons below every user. One is Follow and one is Add Friend. If we click Add Friend for this user, we get this notification: Friend request sent on the button. If we hover over it, it says cancel friend request. So a friend request has been sent to this user, which we will show you by logging in. Before that, we need to keep this password and we will log in as the user. We have successfully logged in as the user and have come to our profile tab of this user. After coming
यहाँ पे
to
माई
this
फ्रेंड टैब
user's
में
profile tab, we need to come
तो
to
यहाँ पे अभी
the My
फ्रेंड्स अभी
Friends
उसके कुछ
tab.
है नहीं, पेंडिंग
So,
में
there are
एक
no
यूजर्स
friends
है जो
here
कि
yet. There is
पेंडिंग में
one
अभी
user
हमने
in pending
इसको फ्रेंड
because
रिक्वेस्ट
we
भेजी
have
है,
sent
फ्रेंड
a
रिक्वेस्ट,
request, a friend request to them,
और
and
हम
we can
यहाँ से
accept
इसको
or reject it from
इस ड्रॉप
here
डाउन के
through
थ्रू
this drop
एक्सेप्ट
down.
और रिजेक्ट
As
कर
soon
सकते
as I
हैं।
accepted
जैसे
it,
ही मैंने
both of
इसको
them,
एक्सेप्ट करा
meaning Piyush
तो
and
ये
Dan,
दोनों
have become
मीन्स
friends with
पीयूष
each
एंड
other,
डैन
right?
दोनों एक
So,
दूसरे के फ्रेंड हो
as
गए
soon
हैं,
as they become
राइट।
friends, if we refresh
तो
this,
जैसे ही ये फ्रेंड हो गए हैं तो हम इसको रिफ्रेश करेंगे तो
this
अब ये
user will
यूजर
now be
इसके फ्रेंड
displayed
वाले
in
टैब
their
में
Friends
डिस्प्ले
tab,
होगा।
right? And here in this profile, in this user's profile, one friend will be shown in My Friends Dan, whom we sent a friend request to and also accepted. Now we can unfriend this user at any time from here. Whether this user does it or the Dan user can unfriend them. If we click on unfriend, they will be unfriended and this friend will also be removed from here. And if we refresh the page here, this user will also be removed from here, right? So that is the process for using it. Just as we send a friend request to any friend on Facebook, similarly we can see how to send, accept or reject a request for a user in UsersWP. We also provide community website development services. If you need any help, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with our expert. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.